So on today's episode of Rob and Eric's Wet and Wild Adventures, CVX 16 SS. Rob, what do you got to say about this?
It's fucking cold.
It's cold, like really, really cold. We're out here, boots, Carhartts. It's cold.
Hey, the last owner of this thing get in the water.
Yeah, he got in the water with waders on. But excited for next summer, Rob? Maybe just a little bit.
Well, the way this thing just sank in there, I don't know if I'm done right now.
I mean, it's got no outdrive on it, so.
Still.
It's still
That's a bad sign.
freezing our ass off. We'll update you with more when we do come to it.
The strap is kicking my ass.
So we made it to the off ramp, and that happened. We're gonna start a campfire on our bearing.
The worst part is it happened right in front of a cop.
Yeah, this thing decided to blow up right in front of a cop.
Luckily, he left us alone.
These are brand new tires.
Brand new tires on here.
We just bought these, what, a month ago?
Not even.
So we're putting her in a parking spot. We have a slight audience. Why is it always our garbage? So Rob, you care to explain what's going on right now?
This might be a little too illegal for, but anywho, everybody knows we got a boat. We blew a tire. Now the axle cost too much. The tire, the axle, and the hub cost way too much, and we can't get it for a couple days. The boat's sitting in a parking lot, and it could easily be taken by anybody.
And it's 20 miles away from here right now.
Yeah, it's about 20 minutes away from here. It's 1 o'clock in the freaking morning. We have this old janky tow dolly here, and we have the bright idea of picking up the trailer, setting it on the dolly, strapping this dolly underneath it to the trailer, and then hauling it home without killing ourselves or anybody else, or going to jail. Probably going to jail. I think we're probably gonna go to jail after this one. But yeah, now I gotta try to make it somewhat illegal. Put some, somewhat legal. Put some lights on it.
But in the off chance of a blowout, we have 2 tires with us this time.
Blowouts are a thing for us.
Yeah, because apparently today is the day for blowouts. So we've arrived back at the scene of the crime. We're gonna hopefully put that and that together and make 2 into 1 trailer.
Hopefully.
Yeah. Took us a sec, but I don't know about you, but that looks like one big ass trailer. Just gotta get some ratchet straps on her and we'll be we did it. Oh, we made all of the straps.
Somehow this really janky ass trailer. This one's a little warm.
Yeah, that might have been the howling we were hearing.
A lot better than that one.
Yeah.
Half the wheels missing.
Yeah, I know.
I might have dragged it for a few feet.
But yeah. Turns out you can put your trailer for your boat on a tow dolly and make 2 trailers into 1 trailer.
Would not recommend.
10 out of 10 would recommend you all try this. Do it. Bet you won't. # no balls.